Hello everyone. So to help avoid any confusion with how to use VoiceThread, I wanted to go ahead and record myself walking you through it. So hopefully you've already looked through some of this other stuff. And I also want to just let you know that for this week's VoiceThread discussion, the only part, if you look here at the discussion board directions, you'll see that all that's due today is for you to record your poem. That's what I just want you to read your poem, and then you have until Thursday to respond and do the other parts of this assignment. And then you have until Friday to respond to your colleagues what they have to say about your poem. That's explained in more detail throughout here, but I just wanted to make that clear for you, that you don't have to do these parts. Just record your poem tonight. That way other people can listen and read and participate. So there's that. If we go back to the module, the other thing is you're going to find on the VoiceThread that some of you, your poem is not listed, and some of you may have uploaded the poem and I finished putting together the VoiceThread before you did, so that's why your poem might not be there, which is also why we are asked to hear you read it. Now, how to access the VoiceThread. So this is the discussion directions, and then this is actually where the link is to the VoiceThread. So you should be able to click on here, and then what you need to do is click here, and then here, let me expand this, you'll be able to see the VoiceThread. Now you can move these arrows and go from page to page, and so you'll see first off, you want to listen, here are the directions, and I'm giving you some insights and introductions to the VoiceThread, so you'll push play here and do all of that. And then here you can move these arrows, you can see the directions, and you can also see that here if you wanted to, you hit plus sign here, and then you can record your voice, or if you want to be on camera. That's even better if you want to do a video so we can all see you. So here's Afra Ben, the poem, and what you can do on this slide. This could be one of the authors you want to speak to. You can answer these questions or do these other things. Then you go, now, so here you can respond once this is recorded, and then we've got Queen, and then you've got another of your colleagues, and so what Jessica's going to want to do is come here, click here, and then record reading this poem. And then you've got another author poem. Giovanni will want to do the same, just like Julian did. Well, Julian will want to over here. And then here, oh, I have a second one for, oh, look, Jessica already recorded, so you can listen to Jessica, and then if you want to respond here, you can. So this is how it works. One thing I'm just going to show you since we're here and I'm recording. All right, Patrick, nicely done. And then there's a few more authors here, and then I have the ending here. So this is how it works. You want to hit that, a plus sign. I'm going to just record. It does this. And then I'm chit-chatting, I'm sharing, and then I'm going to stop it. And you don't leave or cancel because it will delete your recording. You need to let it finish its uploading, and then you can hear it for yourself, and then you need to push save. And then you still don't want to close out until it's done being saved here. And now you're free to go and it will be saved. If you interrupt the process before that is done, especially if you try to close out before you hit save, your recording will be deleted and that will be frustrating. So, I hope that this was useful for you, and please reach out if you have any other difficulties. I did work with a few of your colleagues today who are also taking the Shakespeare class with me face-to-face, and they were able to each use the link just like I showed you without difficulty, so I hope you have the same smooth usability. I can't wait to listen to you and hear what you have to say even more. So have a great night, and we'll be in touch soon. Ciao!